give us a sense of how you think the business is going to fare across the rest of the year.
Yeah, so after we had really a fantastic year with record numbers in all dimensions, we are looking forward, I think, with a good tailwind. B2B is coming back. We saw already the recovery in fourth quarter. It will continue this year as well. And B2C will continue to grow, of course, with a slower growth rate, but on an accelerated base. And that's the reason why we are looking optimistically into this year and beyond that. That's the reason why we have increased our guidance for this year and also gave a new guidance for 2023.
And can I ask you about pricing, Frank, at this point? A bit of a hobby horse, but as we see price pressures rising in all sorts of industries and sectors at the moment, are you going to be able to lift prices outside of your regulated lines?
Yeah, so we have been a premium player, for many years now, and I think a premium player who is a market leader should be also somebody who asks for right pricing for the service we provide. That's the reason why we, of course, will follow the same strategy as in the past years, because we will not raise prices ridiculously, but we will do that continuously. We have cost increases, and I think customers should expect, if they buy best-in-class service across our different divisions, they should expect as well that they pay a good price for it.
Frank, really nice to see you. Look, unambiguously, you've done well, and I doff my cap to you. I think it's been brilliantly performance in a really tough period. But why are you buying back your shares? They're trading, from what I can see, at a 5-year high already. You don't need to buy back your shares. You're a man who's had, and I'm going to say this, very polite, you've had great vision in what you've done at the company, and it's gone really, really well. Is there nothing else you can spend that money on?
We will continue to spend a lot of CapEx. Our business has to follow the demand of our customers. We have invested heavily. We just announced that we buy additional 8 777 for our global network. We will continue to expand our footprint in sorting equipment, in warehouses and all this kind of stuff. The good news is our free cash flow is strong enough to serve both. We can not only invest, significantly into our operations, we can at the same time give back to our shareholders. And I think that shows a commitment and a clear confidence that our business will continue to grow.
Can I change subject slightly? You've been critical about a month ago about the performance in the vaccine rollout, despite the best efforts of many people in the supply chain. I'm talking about Europe here as well. Have things improved since you made those criticisms, or are we still seeing a woeful pan-European performance?
Yeah, no, I think I didn't criticize. What I've said is logistics is ready to go at any time, and we will be not the bottleneck. And we have proven that we are not the bottleneck. The bottleneck is first the amount of production, which is currently accelerating, which is great news. And I still feel, we as global citizens should be happy about the progress we have made. Nobody expected that we will get a vaccine in 10 months' time. Nobody expects so many people already vaccinated. That will only accelerate now. I think the world is definitely on a good way to get COVID-19 under control.